In the last 24 hours, we've seen a significant spike in momentum at plus 0.53 and a sentiment score of plus 0.27. This surge is particularly noteworthy against our historical baseline, where such rapid increases have typically been followed by shifts in trading behavior. When you call our Finance Sentiment API, you receive a comprehensive analysis of the current sentiment landscape, including semantic clusters that reveal the underlying themes driving these changes. For example, you could leverage this data to identify emerging trends in investor sentiment, helping you to refine your trading strategies in real time. Curious to see how this can transform your approach? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.